Welcome back to Small Changes, Big Access. When information is organized clearly, students can find what they need much faster. In this video, we will look at a few quick ways to create lists that are structured properly and easier for everyone to navigate. Lists are one of the simplest ways to organize information in your course. When they are formatted correctly, they help students scan content quickly and make instructions easier to follow. Instead of typing dashes or numbers yourself, use the list tools built into your editor. Proper list formatting creates a structured list that can be interpreted correctly by assistive technologies. Use bullet list when items belong to the same group. Use numbered list when students need to follow steps in a specific order. This helps communicate structure and sequence. Lists work best when each item is short and easy to read. Avoid placing long paragraphs inside list items. Clear lists reduce the effort students need to understand instructions. When instructions are written in a paragraph, students often need to reread them. Turning those instructions into a list makes the steps easier to follow. Here are the key takeaways. Clear lists make course content easier to read and follow. Use bulleted list for grouped information and numbered list when students need to complete steps in order. Always use built-in list formatting tools instead of typing dashes or numbers manually. Keep list items short and consistent. This helps students scan instructions quickly. In our next video, we will look at a few quick accessibility fixes that you can apply immediately in your course. These small changes take very little time but can make a big difference in how easily students can navigate and interact with your course. Site is available to support faculty in creating great learning experiences for students. If you need help improving your course or you want to try something new, reach out. We're happy to support.